All right, I'm here at YouTube and I have just found this video that I want to watch, and as you can see, an ad plays and I have to wait for the 5 seconds or so before I can click skip ad and then get to the video that I want to watch. Notice too that there are often lots of other distracting things, other ads, other suggestions of other videos to watch, and so forth. And these types of distractions can be very difficult for some students to deal with. And so one of the things that can help with this is a tool called QuietTube. What QuietTube will do is it'll allow you to watch just a video without having to watch ads, without having other distractions around you. You have the option of just watching it with a white background. You can even just change the background to black. So let's give that a try. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up a new tab and I'm going to look for QuietTube. Okay. And then there is a QuietTube site here done by the folks at Google. And what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to click on this QuietTube.com link. And what I will do is I am going to take this little image here, this little text box here, and I'm going to drag it onto my bookmarks toolbar. So there I go. I've got my QuietTube link here. Now, if I wanted to explore this more and view an example, there's a link there. If you need a little tutorial beyond what I'm showing you now, there is this as well. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my video here, and before I hit play, I'm going to hit QuietTube. And what this now does is it removes everything that would be distracting. All I am seeing is just the video. All right. And you may notice that I'm viewing it with a black background. I can click right here to view it as a white background. All right. And what I might want to consider doing is just taking this URL as the teacher. All right, I can copy that URL. I can do Command L and then Command V to copy. And I can take this URL now and I can provide this to students. Let's say I'm in my Google Classroom and I am creating something for my students, my classwork here, and I'm going to create this assignment. I can put this URL. Watch this video, and let's see, we got Thanksgiving. All right, it's just an example, and I'm gonna do ungraded and no due date. All right, so what I would do is I would put in the link here, and I'm going to paste that in. And then I'm going to hit save, and now it is assigned. All right, and so now when they click on this, all right, see, it is taking them right to the video, and it's using QuietTube. So you don't even necessarily have to have your students use QuietTube themselves. If you send them a link where you're using QuietTube, they're going to view the same kind of video without all the distractions. So this will be great for those students who are easily distracted by ads or by looking at other videos that are available.